Hope you all are fine. Stay home, don't come out, and follow the online classes. Welcome to EVS class. Today I am going to continue the lesson uses of plants. In previous class, we learned about the how the plants useful for us in our daily activities. We all know the plants are very essential for us. So all the living beings, whether it is human beings, animals, anything, we cannot survive without plants. It means we cannot live without plants. It mentioned in book also. Let us see in point wise. So children, all of you open your books and see page number 79. Other uses of plants. Plants have various other uses. First one, fibers from plants. We get fiber from cotton and jute plants. Cotton is used for making cotton cloths like shirts, skirts, frocks, bed sheets, and handkerchiefs are generally made of cotton fibers. And jute is used for making jute products like gunny bags, mats, bags, baskets, and ropes are made from jute fiber. Medicinal plants. Tulasi, neem, clove, turmeric, and eucalyptus are some important plants that we obtain medicines from these types of plants. Now we will study about the uses of it. First one, tulasi leaves and ginger are used to cure cough and cold. Clove oil is used to treat toothache, that is, any pain in your teeth. Extract from neem leaves is extract oil from neem leaves is used to treat skin infections. Some people dip neem leaves in water and bath in it. Coming to third point. Paste and perfumes from plants. Juices and oils of certain plants are used to make soaps, toothpaste, and perfumes. You see, children, look here. The picture of cloves is present here. It means cloves is one of the ingredient in this paste. Flowers of some plants such as rose, lavender, and jasmine are used to make perfumes. Flowers and leaves of some plants are also used to make bouquets. Marigolds, roses, and carnations are also used in decorations. Fourth point. Wood from plants. Wood is used to make furniture such as tables, chairs, beds, doors, boards, pencils, matchsticks, bats, and cupboards. We get wood from trees like teak, shisham, and oak trees. These are very big trees. Paper is made from wood pulp that we get from plants. Coming to fifth point. Paints, varnishes, and dyes from plants. Juices of certain plants are used to make paints and varnishes. What is the meaning of varnishes? A liquid applied on materials for shining. The leaves of henna plant are crushed into a paste, and this paste is used to make designs on your palm. We make mehendi designs in your occasions, right? Next one, rubber. We get rubber in liquid form. Rubber is used to make tires and pipes. Gum. It is a glue. Gum is obtained from acacia tree. It is used to make glue. What is glue? Glue is the sticky substance which is we use to paste the pictures in your project book. That is known as the gum. Points to remember. I already written on the board and children. First one, plants give us fibers. Example, cotton and jute. and medicines from plants. Example, neem, tulsi and clove. And plants give us wood also. Next, fourth point, paints, varnishes and dyes from plants. And soap, toothpaste and perfumes from plants. And sixth one, fresh air from plants. You see, plants give us fresh air to us. During the daytime, plants release to the fresh oxygen and make our environment clean and fresh. That's why we plant more and more trees. Did you understand, children, how the plants are very, very essential for us? So, don't cut the trees and plant more trees. This much for today. We will meet in the next class. Until then, stay home, stay safe.